Hello everyone, welcome to MES e-learning channel. A great leader Nelson Mandela once said, "Education is the most powerful weapon you can use to change the world." But it is very crucial to understand that the weapon is in the hands of the teacher. Because it is the teacher who evokes curiosity and ignites the minds and spreads the knowledge. So, when as a teacher you actually play this important role in the lives of the students. So as a teacher, when you walk into the classroom, through your teaching, you pass on the knowledge to the students. You also inculcate right values in them, create a right mindset for their holistic growth and development. Now, teaching can be done, right? So is it so that anyone can teach? Is teaching that simple to do? Is teaching anyone's cup of tea? There are many questions like that. Anyone can be a teacher, but to be a competent teacher or to be a teacher who is remembered for the knowledge given, we need to have competency. So, to gain that competency in teaching, we need to learn skills needed. So, when we learn the skills, it will help us to become better, and it will also give us the right knowledge how to make our lessons interesting and how to deliver our lessons in a manner that the students enjoy listening to you. So through several sessions, we'll be covering various skills needed for teaching, and we'll be understanding how to be a competent teacher in life so that you leave a mark in the classroom and you're remembered for the content and also the way you deliver the content in the class. So watch all the videos, understand the skills, and then use it in the classroom. Thank you.